Sound, we've got number 1, Iwo Jima. Pass to begin, moving up, Windy Win on the outside, Yellow's time na. Big Bang Bong comes next, and on the outside is Pink Lady, Platinum Lands. And on the outside, Sing a Song, Tabel, Jet Setter, Slim, Europa, Babes Magic. And Wonderlab is the other trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Iwo Jima by Oralang, and in second is Windy Wind. Big Bang Bong now moving up to take third. Pink Ladies down in fourth. Yellow's time is racing in fifth. Then followed over by Platinum Dance, Sing a Song, Jet Setter, Slim, Europa, Babes Magic, Tabel, and a long way back to Wonderlab. And that's still Iwo Jima, followed by Windy Wind. Big Bang Bong is on the outside together with Pink Lady. Iwo Jima, Windy Wind, Big Bang Bong, and on the outside is Pink Lady. Windy Wind takes the lead. Pink Lady on the outside. Big Bang Bong is down on the inside as they come to the last 150. Pink Lady and Big Bang Bong matching their strides. Big Bang Bong is running by there. Pink Lady on the outside. Pink Lady, Big Bang Bong is running by there. Pink Lady is on the outside. Big Bang Bong is down on the inside. Big Bang Bong, Pink Lady on the outside. Big Bang Bong, Pink Lady, Big Bang Bong once again. And finally, Big Bang Bong, Pink Lady, Yellow's time. Then comes Windy Wind, Europa, and Babes Magic for your Super 6.
Anong datingan?
6, 7, 8, 4, 10, 9. Unofficial na datingan natin sa ating huling